Welcome to Britannia Dessert Carnival. I am Afraz and today let's make a luxurious dessert with chocolate. Yes, I'm talking about Chocolate Delice. So let's start making it. I'm going to heat up a pan and over here I have 2 egg yolks. With that I'm going to add some castor sugar and some vanilla essence. Now I'm going to take this onto a double boiler and mix this nicely. So this looks nicely done, and now it's time to add some dark chocolate. So the chocolate has nicely melted. Now it's time to add some fresh cream. I'm going to add some bloom gelatin. So gelatin is nicely mixed and melted in this chocolate mixture. I'm going to take this off from the heat and let this cool for a bit. And now in another bowl I'm going to add some biscuit crumbs and some almond and walnut powder. And next I'm going to add some melted butter. So in goes the melted butter, and now I'm going to mix this nicely, and this would be the crust for our chocolate delice. So the crust is ready. Now I'm going to take a spring bottom cake tin like this and put this crust mixture on the base. So with the back of the spoon I'm going to level this out and make it look nice and smooth like this. And now I'm going to keep this in the freezer for around 10 minutes. So now coming back to the chocolate mixture, it is nice and cool. So first let's add 1/4 of the whipped cream and fold this nicely. So the mixture is ready. It looks nice, smooth and silky. Let's get the tin from the refrigerator, and now it's time to pour this luxurious chocolate mixture. So this is it. I'm going to give this a tap. And now this will go in the refrigerator to set for around 7 to 8 hours. So after 7 to 8 hours, as you can see, it has perfectly set. And now let's demold this. Look at this. It looks so luxurious. I'm going to transfer this onto a cake stand. And now over here I have some red currants, fresh figs and some fresh mint. So let's just place them. And finally some fresh mint. And there you have a decadent chocolate dessert recipe is ready. I'm sure this is a perfect recipe to impress your guests. If you like the recipe, do hit like, share this recipe with your friends and click that subscribe button to keep up with Britannia Dessert Carnival.
FoodFood, it's sizzling.